So here we can start our fifth chapter, that is separation of substances. Here, say
Ma'am,
first,
substances means things, no?
yeah, substances means things. Okay, so here I am giving a situation. I have a basket full of mangoes and apples with me. I have a basket full of mangoes and apples with me. I want to separate it into apples and in one and mangoes. I want to separate it. Okay, I want to separate it. So, I will ask Hiba Fatima, unmute it, Hiba. Unmute it once again.
Ma'am,
So, how can you separate the apples and mangoes from that basket? Apples,
ma'am.
I have one basket full of apples and mangoes with me. I want to separate, I want to separate it, mangoes and apples separate. How
By
will
hand
you?
picking.
Hand picking, okay, how you will do? Explain, the other students don't know about it. What is hand picking? How you will do that hand
We
picking?
will take by our hands and separate. We
Rifan,
will take by hands and
one minute, Hiba. So here, Hiba, please tell me.
But we should separate them by our hands.
Okay, so you can take another basket and you can take mangoes in the other basket. So when you are separating the mangoes into another basket, in the other one, you will get the apples, right? So likewise, using your hand, mute it. Using your hand, you can separate these substances. Okay, good. So in another situation I am saying, your mother told you to prepare tea. Okay, so what all things to do for preparing tea? And Mohammed Fas, mute your audio first. Okay. See, how can you make tea? Who is ready to tell me? Hands up. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Those who know the answer. Shreya. Okay, Shreya, tell me. Unmute and tell me. Yes, tell me fast. I can't hear. I can't hear it. I can't hear it. No, 1 minute. Rehan Dev, unmute and tell how you will prepare tea.
We need
First.
we need milk for
Okay.
and tea powder.
Okay. So you can
And
mix
sugar.
water. You can mix water and milk together and can boil. When it become boil, you can add the tea powder in it. Then sugar also you can add. After that, can you directly pour it in the teacups and can you drink it?
No,
Rehan?
ma'am.
Okay, so what we want to do? After boiling milk, water and tea powder and sugar.
Separate.
Okay, how you will separate that? With a strainer. Are you? With a strainer, right? With a strainer, we can separate the tea leaves from the tea, from the liquid, right? Because while we boil the tea leaves with that milk and water, we will get the essence of the tea powder into the liquid. But when we drink tea, we don't want the solid tea powder to drink. We want only the essence of the tea powder. That is why we want to separate. That is why we want to separate the tea powder or tea leaves from the liquid. For that, we will use a strainer. We can't handpick. We can't handpick this tea leaves from the liquid. Like mangoes, apples, how these are separated. We can't do it like that. There we can use the strainer only. Using strainer, we can separate the non-useful component of the liquid. Right? It is not useful. After boiling, we don't want it. So there we are separating using a strainer, and we are separating non-useful component of the mixture. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So another one situation. See, at your home, sometimes you might have seen your mother is cleaning the pulses by putting it in a plate, right?
Yes.
Before cooking,
ma'am.
she will take that quantity of the pulses in a plate and will, using hand, she will search the torn pieces, the dirty pieces, these all things. She will
Yes.
take it and she will throw it away. Right? See, why she is doing it? Why she or some other person? Why they are doing it? Hiba, mute your audio. Mute your audio. Who knows why we are
Ma'am.
throwing the... Okay. See, 1 minute. Don't unmute. I am not giving chance. Those are unmuting. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Who knows the answer? Why? Okay, Rihan. Rihan Rafiq, tell me. Tell me, why?
Question.
You don't know the question. Then why you raise your hand?
Ma'am, one
Okay,
more
mute it,
repeat.
mute it, mute
Repeat
it.
question, ma'am.
Yes, I will repeat, mute it. So, see, you might have seen your family members before cooking pulses or rices. They will take the pulses or rices in a plate and will take the black rices from the rice or the stone pieces or the rock pieces from that pulses. Okay. See, why they are taking and throwing it? Why they are separating that from the pulses and rices? That is what I want to know. Okay, Adish. Adish, unmute it and tell me. Why they are?
They are bad things.
Okay, bad things. They are harmful things. Okay, they are harmful things. We want to separate it from the other. Otherwise, if we cook the rice or pulses along with that stone pieces, when we eat that, it will be harmful for our health. So there we are separating it for removing harmful substances. Am I right? There we are separating the substances for removing the harmful substances. So in the first case, why we separated mangoes and apples?
Because it is
Okay, because mute it because we want both the apples and mangoes, right? We don't want to throw it away. Both are useful, but are different. Both are useful, but different. We want it. That is why we are separating them. And in the case of preparing tea leaves, in the case of tea leaves, when we prepare it, we don't want the tea leaves. We want to remove the non-useful component from the tea. Right? We want to
Yes, ma'am.
separate non-useful component. There the tea leaves are non-useful. After boiling, we don't want it. So we are removing it. And in the third case, we are separating the substances because they are harmful. We want to remove the harmful things from it. So, and one more case. See, from the curd, when we churn the curd, we can separate butter and buttermilk. Right? We can separate butter from the curd. Do you know about it? Do you know about it? We get butter from the curd. Do you know about it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how we will get the butter out of curd? We have to churn. We have to churn or we have to put the curd in the mixie. So after that we will get the butter. Butter gets separated from the curd. So there we are separating butter from the curd because butter is also useful. We want to get the butter. And after taking the butter from the curd, what it is left behind is a liquid. Will we throw it away, that liquid?
No.
It is also useful. It is the
No,
buttermilk.
ma'am.
It is the buttermilk. That is also very useful. Right? So, why we separated the components in the curd? Because when we separate the components in the curd, we will get butter and also buttermilk. Both are useful. Both are useful,
Yes.
but different. They are different but useful. So, by taking these all examples, Alan Siju, what you are doing there, Alan Siju? Alan Siju, you are not attending the class. So, when we separate things, why we need to separate substances? That is the first question of this chapter. Why we need to separate substances? Who can say the answer? Raise your hand. Who can say the answer? Okay, Adish, tell me one point.
I didn't hear that. What I wanted to tell.
Okay, please mute your audio. Why we need to separate substances? We need to separate substances to get different but useful substances. To separate,
Ma'am, can I?
but to get different but useful substances. Like in the case of curd or in the case of mangoes and apples. Another point, we want to separate substances to remove non-useful or harmful substances, like in the case of tea leaves and in the case of stones in the pulses. So these two are the main points. So now somebody is using chat box, no need of using it. Okay. So if you have anything to say to me, you can raise
Yes,
your
ma'am. Others.
So why you are unmuting then? He can tell now to me. Okay.
Can I come to ma'am?
Mohammed, pass. What you want? Tell me fast.
Can I leave and join
Yes,
my laptop?
yes. So now I am going to share the screen. Okay. Oh, please check. Dear students, can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So Fatima and Menaharin.
Yes, ma'am.
So read the chapter number and chapter name. Fast.
Chapter 5, Separation of Substances.
Okay. So here we are going to learn the chapter 5, separation of substance. Okay. So next one. And Fatima, read it. What is the question which is written on the board? So if you want to write down the important points, those can write it. But after listening, after understanding these whole points. Okay. Okay, Fatima, read it fast.
Why do we separate substances?
Okay.
Answer A. To remove non-useful or harmful components.
Okay. For say to remove.
Answer B. To separate two different but useful components.
Okay, 1 minute. To remove non-useful or harmful components. Non-useful or harmful components. 1 minute. Okay, non-useful or harmful components. Okay, Fatima, read the second one.
Answer B. To separate two different but harmful components.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Useful components.
Okay, to separate two different or 1 minute. Here I want to. Okay, different but useful component. Useful component. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes,
Useful
ma'am.
component. Sometimes you won't be okay.
Ma'am, right, ma'am?
Yes, if you want to write, you can note down the point. Why do we separate substances? To
Ma'am,
remove.
can I tell one thing?
Yes, say. See, what you want to tell one thing?
Because we separate to one food taste will go, then will waste. Ma'am, taste will go. We separate to one food.
We are not saying about food. We are saying about the substances. Okay. So, we are not discussing about that one. Here we are saying why we need to separate substances. Why tea leaves has to be removed from the tea. Why the pulses has to remove from the, the stones has to remove from the pulses. Why the black tea rises from the rice has to separate. These all things we want to discuss now. Okay. So here we are using it. Okay, next one. So here we can see this one. Okay, methods of separation. We are using different, in this chapter we have to learn different methods of separation. First one, it is hand picking. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, hand picking. This is the one which we use to separate mangoes and apples. We will, in the coming classes, we will be learning in detail about these all things. Okay, the second one, threshing. Second one, threshing. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
is
Yes.
winnowing. Third one is the winnowing. And next, sieving. Sieving. No need to write down these all. These all are there in the
Ma'am,
textbook.
sieving.
Sieving. Okay, I will discuss these all things in the coming classes. So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
just please understand. Okay, so now understand what all things are there. Next, method of separation, sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Next one is evaporation. Evaporation. These all methods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 methods of separation we want to learn in this chapter. Okay, so before learning two different methods of separation, we want to know why we need to separate. Why we need to separate the substance. Okay, so we need to separate substances to get useful but different things. Then to remove non-useful or harmful substances. These all are the methods. See, let me stop it. See, when we separated the tea leaves from the liquid, we used a strainer, right? But when we want to separate the stones from the pulses, we are using hand to separate. Why we are not using the strainer there? Why we are not using the strainer there? Karen, unmute and tell me. Why we are not using strainer?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are not using strainer when we sort out the stones from the pulses?
What is trainer?
Strainer say while making tea, you are using some plastic thing with the nets, right? To remove the tea leaves.
Yes.
The name of that is called strainer. Okay.
Strainer means?
One minute. Okay. So strainer means the thing which we are using to separate tea leaves from the tea. Are you not not familiar with that one? Strainer, that thing is called strainer.
No, ma'am, not
Okay.
familiar.
Okay, take the page number 36. Here you can
Ma'am.
see the picture of the strainer. There you can see the picture of the strainer. There some picture of the tea preparation is shown there. Okay, so there you can see. Now you understood, Karen? Now you understood, Karen?
Page number?
36, 35, page number 35, first picture. Filter, you can say it as filter also when we are preparing this one, juice. Aripa, right? Okay, okay. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am, I
strainer.
repa.
No need to. Here, this strainer, I think Karen now understood about the strainer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, why we can't use the strainer for removing stones from the pulses? Tell me, think it. All can think about it. All can. Badi, unmute and tell me, Badi. Badi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me why we can't use the strainer for separating stones from the rice or pulses? Okay, how safe? Can you tell me why we can't? Yes, why we can't use the strainer? Huh? Strainer for separating this one stones from the pulses. No. Okay, I will explain. This is because. Yes. Okay, Rehan, tell me.
Ma'am, if we take the strainer, the items will go with them also.
Okay,
The good things.
Okay, see, strainer can be used only to remove unsoluble impurities from the liquid. Understood? Or insoluble impurities from the liquid. Undissolved or insoluble impurities from the liquid. We can't use to separate components of a solid substance through the strainer. We can't use it. So, we can use, I showed you different methods of separation. So many 6 methods, the names of 6 methods I showed it here. But which method we can use for separating a particular object, that depends on its size. First of all, its size. Second, how it is. Solid, is it a solid, liquid or gas? Okay, based on the state of the object, we have to find out whether it is which method we want to use. Is it okay? Is it clear? So,
Yes, ma'am.
let me explain again. We have a lot of methods of separation, but which method we want to use? We can't use a hand picking method for taking the tea leaves from the tea. So which method is suitable for separating a object? And that depends on the size of the separating substances and the state of that object, whether it is solid, liquid or gas. According to these all, we had to adopt a particular method. Okay, so in the coming classes, we will be learning more about these methods of separation. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
so read the textbook.
water purifying cannot be do with the hand plucking method.
Which one? Hand?
Water purifying method cannot be do with the hand plucking.
No, we can't. See, if it is larger impurities like a leaf or some stone pieces are there, we can't take. But
Like apple.
sometimes from the muddy water, we can't use the hands to purify the water. Okay, so we will be explaining these all things in the next classes. But dear students, I can see very few attendants in this class, and one more thing, you are not attending the class properly. Okay, you are distracting the classroom. Don't do it. I will ask questions in the coming classes also.
Okay, ma'am.
Be ready for it.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.